Hey guys, in this video we will explain how to install Super wallpapers for all Xiaomi devices. First, go to below the video in description or go to link to download APK Super wallpapers. After you will find a download page like this. Click here. After wait 13 seconds. Now click on Super Wallpaper Alpha here, like this. Download, okay. Now download is continue. Wait to download. After install Super Wallpaper. Go to theme, store theme here. Click on profile, your profile. Click on wallpapers. As you can see, this operation was complete successfully. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and no video.